So first I'll show you the formula that auto-populates the student name from the student's ID number. So the ID number is just text, right? So a teacher will put the student's ID number in this box. This next cell, though, has this V lookup, and it's a formula that looks up information in another spreadsheet. So here's the link to the spreadsheet that Jeannie has that she edits, and it looks like this. So she just adds in students. These were the ones we originally pulled, and then she adds in more students at the end here with every intake that we have. So all it does is this formula says it's going to look up based on what's in cell B3. So B3 right here is our ID number. So based on what's in B3, it's going to import the information from this spreadsheet, which is the one that Jeannie uses, and then it is going to compare column A to column B. So you give the ID number, which is in column A, right here, and then it will look up what is in column B based on that ID number. So if I type in 319471, it's going to find Dean 3, Jimmy. All right, so that's what it's doing. And this 2 means that there are 2 columns of data that it's using, and this false, I cannot remember what the deal is with false, but it has to be there for some reason. Couldn't tell you, but I remember it has something to do with, you know, if it can't figure something out, then it just puts false. All right, so that's all that this does. It goes to that sheet, compares A to B. So if ever a teacher says, hey, I put the ID number in and a student's name is not popping up, after they click allow access. So, you know, right, they'll have to, after they put in the ID number, they'll have to allow access. If it's still not working, if it says that it can't find the data, there's some error that comes up, then that means that Jeannie may not have put the student in there. I had that happen once before, and I had to go in and I just added in the student, or I asked Jeannie to add in the student. So that is how that cell right there works.